See, if this is the door, this is the point at which the door is fixed, that is pivot or hinge. When you want to open or close the door, you do not have to apply the force here. अगर यहाँ पे apply किया तो door will not be able to open or close it. Where we have the handle for the door, we have it on the other end from the fixed point. So this fixed point is known as pivot or hinge. यहाँ पे door fix होता है, and then you close and open the door. When you close or open the door, it does not move in this line, straight line. How does it move? It moves in a rotational or turning form. So this turning effect of force is known as moment of force. So let's see this turning effect of force which makes the object turn if there is a hinge. Without hinge it will not be possible. अगर डोर को हिंज नहीं होता तो पूरा डोर ही बाहर चला जाता. अगर ये पॉइंट नहीं होता, फिक्स नहीं होता, तो डोर को अगर हम ओपन करते तो इट विल फॉल डाउन. But due to this fixed point, that is hinge, when you open or close from this side, it gives a turning effect. So this turning effect of force which makes the object turn if there is a hinge is called moment of force. So turning effect of force is also known as moment of force. Remember this. Turning effect of force is also known as moment of force. The turning effect of force is called the moment of force, and the actual name is in the physics term is known as torque. What it is known as? Torque. The pronunciation is torque. So turning effect of force or moment of force is known as torque. What is torque? It is the tendency of the force to produce a rotation. Rotation मतलब देखो हमने डोर को जब क्लोज और ओपन करते हैं, so this rotational turning effect is known as torque. So torque has a tendency to produce a rotation. So torque makes the object rotate if it has a pivot point or an axis of rotation. Axis of rotation मतलब देखो यहाँ पे डोर, this is the fixed axis and around this axis it is rotating, isn't it? It is rotating around this axis. So this is axis of rotation which is fixed, and around this axis the door can close or open. So this turning effect of force is known as moment of force, or it is known as torque. It has a tendency to produce a rotation. This torque rotates when the object has a pivot point or an axis of rotation. This torque is exerted at a distance from an object's axis of rotation. तो हम डोर को कहाँ से ओपन और क्लोज करते हैं? From this distance, okay? From a particular distance from this axis of rotation, we can give the turning effect. अगर हमने यहाँ, do we have the handle of door here? No, it is always away from this point, pivot point or hinge, which gives it a turning effect, and we can easily open or close the door. So this turning effect is known as moment of force, or it is known as torque. This torque produces rotation. This rotation is possible only if the object has pivot point or hinge or axis of rotation, and we always exert this torque at a distance from this axis of rotation. Pay attention. How do we close or open a door? We apply force to it. So we apply force. Where do we apply force? At a particular distance from the pivot point or the fixed point. So when torque is produced, turning effect कब आता है? When you apply force at a particular distance. So what is the actual definition? The definition of moment of forces or torque is, it is the product of force which is applied and the shortest distance or perpendicular distance from the pivot point to the point of application of force, which is given as D. So force torque is equal to force applied into perpendicular distance from the pivot point, that is D. Now this torque is expressed, or the symbol for torque is tau. Okay, this symbol is tau. How is the symbol? See, it is like this, tau. Okay, T-A-U. Tau is the pronunciation of it. Okay, Greek pronunciation. So symbol for torque is tau is equal to force capital F multiplied by distance. So what is torque? It is a product of force applied into the perpendicular distance from the pivot point. That gives the turning effect of force. Okay, हम डोर को जब क्लोज और ओपन करते हैं, like we have seen here, when you where do we apply? At a particular distance from this pivot point, we apply the force, it is the perpendicular distance, perpendicular matlab 90 degree, and when we apply the force, then it gives the torque or the moment of force. So torque is, the formula for torque is, it is the product of force and distance, which is force which is applied and the distance from the pivot point. Force is expressed in Newton. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. Distance SI unit is meter. So SI unit of torque is Newton meter. It is Newton meter. But this Newton meter is also the unit of energy or work. But work or energy is the quantity. It is not energy. So torque is not an energy. So joule is not the unit of torque. Okay. Torque has the unit Newton meter only. But it does not have the unit joule because it is not energy. Remember this point. So torque is the product of force and distance. It is, the formula is force tau is equal to force into distance, and its SI unit is Newton meter because force is expressed in Newton, distance is measured in meter. So Newton meter is the SI unit of torque. Now there are some factors affecting moment of force. Factors क्या है? The strength of force applied. So if you apply less force to the door, it will not open very fast. But you apply more force, the door will open fast. So higher the strength of force applied, greater the torque of the body. Utna jaldi, that will give more turning effect. So higher the force, more the turning effect. Perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. As I told you, if you apply the force here to open or close the door, it will be difficult to open or close the door from this fixed point. But where do we apply the force? At the other end. So more the distance from the pivot point, perpendicular distance जितना ज़्यादा है, उतना ज़्यादा turning effect होगा. But perpendicular distance अगर कम है, तो turning effect भी कम होगा. So what does this mean? See, here we have seen the formula, torque is force into displacement. So this is direct relation. Direct relation matlab when one increases, the other will increase. When this increases, the other will also increase. So strength of force जितना ज़्यादा है, उतना torque भी ज़्यादा है. If for the perpendicular distance, large the distance from the pivoted point, greater is the turning effect of the body. So these are the two factors on which the torque depends. See here in the formula, torque depends, tau, that is torque depends, turning effect depends on force applied and the distance from the pivot point. So more force, more torque, more distance, more torque. Some examples which we are going to see. For example, if you have to tighten a screw with your hand, it is very difficult. So what do we use? You must have seen this thing. It is known as spanner. Okay. What we do? We hold the screw and then we rotate in this manner. If we hold it here, the turning effect will be less. देखो हम कहाँ पे hold करते हैं हमेशा? On the other end. So we have seen, if this is the fixed point and this is the perpendicular distance, so जितना ज़्यादा distance होगा उतना ज़्यादा turning effect होगा. But अगर कम distance है तो turning effect, see, we are not able to rotate if I hold it here. But if I hold it on the other side, it is easily able to move. So it is difficult to tighten a screw with hand, but it's easier with a spanner. So we hold a spanner and then we tighten the screw. Even the opening and closing of the door, that is the example of torque. Okay, I have shown you. If you open and close the door, push and pull, that time it gives a turning effect, and that turning effect is the example of torque. The third one is twisting. For example, if I have this box, okay, if I have to open it, I have to twist it. Okay, twist करते हैं हम लोग. When you have to open the lid, you have to rotate it. So twisting the lid to open or close a jar, or even the water tap. Okay, if I see here, it is the water tap. हम क्या करते हैं? इसको rotate करते हैं. So this rotation is the turning effect. Okay, turning effect, and this is the example of torque. Okay, so and next is, so close or twisting the lid to open or close a jar. We have seen open or close a jar, and water tap, when you turn the water tap, that is also an example of turning effect. Another example is pencil inside a sharpener. So when you sharp it, okay, you rotate it like this. So that is also an example of turning effect of force. Car steering. So when you, for example, if you have a steering of a car, just say for example, if this is the steering of a car, okay, सो हम इसको क्या करते हैं, रोटेट. दिस इज द फिक्स्ड पॉइंट, पिवोट पॉइंट. एंड व्हेन यू अप्लाई द, हम यहाँ पे फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं ना, when you have to rotate it, turn करना है, we apply the force on this peripheral part of the steering. So this is also example where it gives a turning effect. अगर कार को हमें turn करना है, देखो हमें turn करना है, तो we turn this steering and then it gives a turning effect to the car. जैसे घाट में वगैरह जाते हैं तो we have to rotate the steering in that manner and that time it gives the torque. So today we have studied what is force. It is a push or pull acting on an object. When you apply a force, it makes the object move in particular direction. There is a center of mass for every object where you can balance the object. Balance करते हैं ना हम object को. That point where you can balance it is known as center of mass. When you apply the force at the center of mass, it moves the object in straight line. But अगर हम sideways में अगर force apply करते हैं तो it gives a turning effect. This turning effect of force which makes the object turn is known as moment of force. When you have to turn an object, there should be a hinge to that particular object. Without hinge, you cannot move, as we have seen the example of door. This turning effect is also known as moment of force or torque. This torque gives the rotation to an object. Then we have seen that the definition that moment of force or torque is the product. Product मतलब क्या? Multiplication is known as product. So moment of force torque is the product of force applied into the perpendicular distance from the pivot point. Perpendicular distance from the pivot to the point of application of force. Okay, point of application मतलब जहाँ पे हम force apply करते हैं वो point से perpendicular distance is known as the pivot distance. So F into D is tau. The pronunciation is tau. This is the symbol. Its SI unit is Newton meter. It is not having the unit as joule because it is not energy. Torque is not energy. It is the effect of force. There are factors which affect the moment of force, which is the force, strength of force. More the force, more will be the turning effect. More the distance, more will be the turning effect. So these are two factors, strength of force and perpendicular distance from axis of rotation. Then we have seen different examples to like of the spanner, opening and closing of door, opening of a water tap, sharpening a pencil, and car steering. So please read the lesson till this point and then solve the assignment and Google test. Thank you.